So today I'm going to be unboxing a whole bunch of Korean skincare packages that I got in the mail, and I am also going to do some first impressions. The first thing that I got is the D'Alba First Spray Serum. It's pretty popular here, or in South Korea. I opened it already and I've been using it, but this is what it looks like. And I really love it because it just gives you that nice glow. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay. And it's one of the things I've been using recently. The second thing is this Lily by Red eyebrow pencil. I use this all the time. I don't have it on right now, but I love it because it's so cheap and it's like a dupe for like the Anastasia like eyebrow pencil, and it's just super cheap. And in Korea, I think you can buy it on YesStyle. I'll link all of the items that you can buy below. This is Saltysleep Dex-Panthenol Soothing Gel Cream. So I think this is like some sort of serum, but look how cool the bottle is and how it looks. I guess you're supposed to massage, and it's like a gel cream. I've never tried this, and I'll definitely be doing like a first impressions, like try on about each product on my TikTok and YouTube, of course. Klairs. This is the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. Korean skincare products are just so soothing to open. This is what it looks like. I haven't opened it yet. I kind of want to see what it looks like. I think it's blue. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Ooh, it smells nice too. Actually, it doesn't smell like anything, but that's what it looks like. Okay, I'll try that out too. This is the All About Skin Barrier PRMR AGCN. I don't know what this is. Radiance Vitatinol Serum. See how cool the packaging is? It's like a triangle. This is what it looks like. It's a serum, some sort of serum. Then we have the Celladix Serum Rebalancing RX Ampule. I'm not gonna open this one, but I will try it out. Then the Face Republic Purity Essence SPF 50 Sunscreen. All of these are Korean products, I believe they are. But I love the Korean SPFs, they're so nice. Then we have the Acwell 5.5 Korean Traditional Demo Cosmetic brand for stress and sensitive skin. This is the Licorice pH Rebalancing Cleansing Toner, and I think I already made a video over the summer last year about this toner. It's not really for my skin type, it's for people that have like oily skin. So I'm definitely going to be probably giving this away. I'll probably do some sort of giveaway of skincare products. So yeah. Let's open this one. Okay, this is from, I don't know where it's from, but I haven't opened any of these and they've just been sitting. This is the Belif, the True Cream Aqua Bomb Sunscreen, Broad Spectrum 45. Yeah. I never thought that I'd be getting Belif products, but this is pretty amazing. It's a sunscreen. I guess it's new, but look how cool this packaging is. Like, look. I haven't tried it out, but I will do a review on it. Got that. Okay. This is the Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream. They sent me two, so I'll definitely be giving away one of these. It's the same thing as the other one that I unboxed earlier. This is, ooh, it's all dented. This is the Rice Whip Facial Cleanser by I'm From. And I really like this brand. And I'm really glad that they sent me a cleanser because I don't think they sent me one last time. And I really love cleansers. Like, that's some of my favorite things to try. The packaging is all like dented and stuff, but I really need a cleanser right now, so this is what it looks like. It's a pretty big size, but it matches all my rice I'm From products that I reviewed a couple weeks ago. This is the makeup products. I'm going to start doing makeup, and I'll probably be doing makeup. This is the TPSY Juicy Lip Plumper and the Lip Liner. Yeah, I'm going to try this later. Oh my god, I'm excited about this. This is what it looks like. Look at the packaging, how cool it is. I'm talking about Japanese and Korean packaging is just, it's so cool. Let me see the lip liner packaging. It's in Dusty Rose. Wow, okay. Let's see. Wow, it's like clear. And it has a little brush on the end. So it has lip liner on one side and then a brush on the other end. How cool is that? Like, they just make it so, just very cool packaging. This is a box that I got. I cut myself earlier. I thought I cut myself pretty hard, but I don't think it was that hard, but I got lucky. Let's see what this is. Wow, talk about packaging. So this is the URB Vegan Snailed It Yam Essence, the Pure Perfection Cream, and the lip treatment. How nice is that? I went to school for advertising, graphic design, and let me just say, this packaging, like, I'm trying to figure out how to open this, and like, look, this is how you open it. Like, how cool is that? Just put it back in like this. I've never seen any packaging like this. Look at that. That's cool. How unique is that? Wow. And then this is the lip treatment. Wow. It's fun opening stuff like this. Okay, now the last one's a pretty big one. These are my favorite because they're like PR. This is the Beauty of Joseon Glow Charging Rice Duo. And this is what it looks like. I mean, look how cute this is. So the first thing I got was the Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. I'm gonna open it for sure. This is what it looks like. I've never used any of these products from this brand, so I'm very excited. Then I got the Round Rice and Honey Glow Mask. I am so excited to try these out with my little hairband. Look at that. And it comes with a little scooper. I will definitely be trying all of these and doing first impressions and just reviewing them. So stay tuned for that and be on the lookout on my TikTok as well. And I got a little hairband. How cool is this? So so I can do my skincare and put this on. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see anything else, don't forget to suggest anything or ask any questions in the comment below. I love hearing your feedback and just like your overall experience with anything that's happened with skincare. Or I think the other time somebody asked me like what movies I've been into lately, and I love movies, and I'll probably do some mukbangs too, like Korean food, Japanese food, and I'll also do like a Japanese like skincare unboxing. I just have to go shop for some Japanese skin brands. I've used some and I've reviewed them on my TikTok and YouTube and stuff, but I want to do more of that. I'm just very familiar with Korean products because I used to live in South Korea. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and look out for all the first impressions and reviews on all the skincare that I just unboxed. Have a good day. Wow. I'm gonna put everything back in a box and just call it a day. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, this is everything that I got. I'm trying to like grab everything so I can